What's going on, guys? Today we got a APR intercooler just arrived, so we're gonna go ahead and crack that open and go ahead and do a little unboxing. So let's get to it. Like automotive performance tuning was kind enough to throw in a little license plate frame, so that's kind of cool there. Got a little keychain and some Jolly Ranchers. Awesome. Shout out to you guys. Good stuff. Flip this guy over. Oh man, that's a pretty serious intercooler. Angle so you guys can see it. So today we've got APR MQB 2.0T intercooler system. I've got the full boost hose kit. It's got the intercooler, silicone intercooler hoses, all the clamps, accessories, as well as the little throttle pipe, all those pieces here. So might as well do it once, do it right. We got that, and then, oh my goodness, it's a hardware kit for the intercooler there. Yeah, there's the intercooler. I'm not gonna bring it all the way out just for the convenience of this, but yeah, that's pretty hefty. So I'm looking forward to that. Definitely help cut down on the heat soak there. 2016 Audi A3 Quattro 2.0T. So in preparation for APR Stage 2, go ahead and get that intercool in there, as well as that downpipe, so we can definitely make the most power. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that install. So there you got it. That is APR MQB intercooler. All right, see you guys.